I'm downhill mountain biking today with my boyfriend. I went down twice, and I let Mike go on his own just so that he can get a good run in, because I'm freaking slow. It's my first day ever. So give me a break, people. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. I'm not doing that. Hey, oh, is it? What? Shut up. So you took the wrong way?
Yeah, I took the free ride trail. That was like the double, triple black diamond thing.
Oh, cool, thanks. I did a double, triple black diamond and walked the half of it. I'm tired. Yeah, my ass hurts. He had no idea that I just fell. That hurt. That hurt a lot. Did I scratch my helmet too much? I face planted.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Okay.
Started sprinting back up when you weren't like somewhat behind. No.
I told you I was tired.
I know, I'm sorry.
Oh wow, that looks worse than it was when I got up.
Yeah.
Ooh, ew.
You get it back down still?
Huh?
Still get it back down?
Get what back down?
The bike?
Yeah.
Okay.
It just hurts.
Look, look.
Doesn't hurt that much. It's just that because it's so steep initially, that's my problem. I can't like just go down it.
Like keep trying to
brake too much.
Yeah.
My front went the wrong way, and I went not that way.
Yeah.
And I'm
yeah,
happy.
You pretty much you gotta stay loose.
I know. I'm happy I had this thing, because holy shit, that would have been my face.
Yeah. I'm sorry, Jen.
That's okay. It was still fun. I mean, not the crashing part, but. Such a good job today. Okay, that's one. That's the other.
Post downhill carnage.
Oh, that's awesome.
There's no bone sticking out there.
No, there's no bone sticking out. So I think it was totally successful.